Hello friends, welcome back. I'm very excited to tell you that the Rockstar Games has launched their new game launcher, and with this new launcher they are giving GTA San Andreas game absolutely free of cost, so you have to claim it. So in this video we are going to tell you all the steps how to download the game launcher and how to claim the free game and how to install it. So stay with us and check it out. So these were the steps how to download and install the game launcher of Rockstar and how to claim your free copy of GTA. So if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and do not forget to leave the comment below, and do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our new and upcoming videos. Until next time, goodbye.